Hi guys, please don't mind the appearance, but I am just quickly going to show you how I prep my hair before I have to style it. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is take out as much moisture as I can from my hair so that it's easier to dry. And this is the little trick that I do. Okay, so the second step I'm going to do is prime my hair with my Prep Rally from Dry Bar. It serves as a detangler and also protects against heat when you blow dry. Okay, now I'm gonna comb my hair with this white tooth comb. I like combs to brush my hair because I just feel that there's less breakage, and for thicker hair this also gives it a good texture. So tonight I want to straighten, and I'm going to use my Dry Bar Sudden Bell that I volume in my roots as a mousse. So I'm gonna use it generously, depends on. Next, I will blow dry my hair without a brush, but I will flip my hair upside down so that it gets more volume. You can already tell the volume that I got is heavy, and for it to get this volume is hard, giving it good texture. So now that I've straightened my hair and have a little bit of my face on, I'm going to use a little bit of Moroccan oil. I don't know if it's visible from here, but a little bit. I'm going to rub them in between my finger and then just rub it all over like this. Same for here. A little bit on the top, not so much, just slightly. It's my front camera, guys, so I'm not sure how nice it looks here, but and that's it. That's how you get your hair to be nice, silky, and sleek. All right, heading out to a birthday now. Bye.